Let's look at a problem on speed and distance, okay, on linear equation. So basically what we see here is how can we use linear equations to solve a problem relating to speed and distance. In covering a distance of 30 kilometers, Amit takes 2 hours more than Sarthak. If Amit doubles his speed, he would take 1 hour less than Sarthak. Amit's speed will be, that's a question mark. So there are two people, Amit and Sarthak, right? Let us call their speed be equal to x kilometer per hour, okay, and for Sarthak let it be y kilometer per hour. You are told that Amit takes 2 hours more than Sarthak, okay, to cover 30 kilometers. Now what we are given here is the time factor, right? This is speed. What is the distance? The distance is 30 kilometers. So the time, okay, the difference between the time of Amit and time of Sarthak is equal to 2 hours. Okay, how much time did Amit take? Amit had to cover 30 kilometers. We know time is equal to distance upon speed, and the speed is x kilometers an hour. Sarthak to cover 30 kilometers takes with the speed of y kilometers per hour. So the time taken by Amit, okay, over the time taken by Sarthak is 2 hours more. So which means this time minus this is equal to 2. Okay, let's call this as equation 1. Now they say that if Amit doubles his speed, if his speed becomes 2x, right, but the distance remaining the same, he would take 1 hour less than Sarthak, right? So in other words, if the speed becomes 2x, 30 by 2x, then the time that Amit takes is 1 hour less than Sarthak, means what? Minus 1. Minus 30y is equal to minus 1, right? You need to solve these two linear equations and get the value of x and y. Again, we see that x and y are basically 1 upon x and 1 upon y. So can we put in 1 upon x is equal to m, okay, or let's say not m, let's use it as u, and 1 upon y is equal to v, right? So this becomes 30, 1 upon x is equal to u minus 30 v is equal to 2, right? Or in other words, 15u minus 15v is equal to 1, or 15u is equal to 15v plus 1, which means that u is equal to 15v plus 1 by 15, right? Let's call this as equation 3. If we use this particular equation to be solved, okay, and I'll move on to the next slide now, we have 30 upon x, right? 30 upon 2x minus 30 upon y is equal to minus 1, or in other words, 2 goes into this 15 times, so I can say 15 u minus 30v is equal to minus 1, right? Let's call this as equation 4. So for us, u is equal to 15v plus 1 by 15. U is equal to 15v plus 1 by 15. This knocks off this. Minus 30v is equal to minus 1, right? So what do I have? I have minus 15v is equal to, this goes on the other side, minus 2, v is equal to minus 2 by 15. This was actually minus and minus, so it becomes plus. On the other hand, we had u is equal to 15v plus 1 divided by 15, right? How much is v? 15 times 2 by 15 plus 1 divided by 15. This knocks off this. I get 3 upon 15, or simply 1 by 5. So u is equal to 1 by 5 and v is equal to 2 by 15, right? And that's how you got the speed of Amit and Ravi. What is the speed of Amit? Amit is x kilometers an hour, right? And we know 1 upon x is equal to u, right? So x is equal to 5 kilometers an hour. How did I get 5? 1 upon 5 is u. X is equal to 1 by u, right? So I got 5 kilometers per hour for Amit. And how much is Sarthak? It is 15 by 2. Y is equal to 1 upon v is equal to 15 by 2 kilometers.